Hey everybody, Brett here and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into a question I get asked all the time. Is it really possible to live in Bangkok on a tight budget? Bangkok is a city of incredible contrasts, where ancient temples meet modern skyscrapers, and where you can find street food that's tastier than some Michelin-starred restaurants. The truth is, Bangkok can be incredibly affordable if you know where to look. From its vibrant street food scene to its affordable accommodation options, Bangkok has something for everyone, regardless of your budget. So if you're ready to discover the secrets to living large on a shoestring budget in one of Southeast Asia's most exciting cities, then stick around because things are about to get delicious. Let's get real for a second. You've probably heard some horror stories about scams, inflated tourist prices, and the general chaos of Bangkok. While it's important to be aware of your surroundings, most locals are incredibly friendly and helpful. Just use your common sense, avoid anything that seems too good to be true, and you'll be fine. Another myth is that everything is ridiculously cheap. The key is to live like a local. Eat where the locals eat, shop where they shop, and you'll be amazed at how affordable Bangkok can be. This channel is all about giving you the inside scoop, so you can experience the best of Bangkok without breaking the bank. Alright, let's talk about everyone's biggest expense accommodation. The good news is Bangkok has a crazy amount of options, from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious hotels and everything in between. If you're on a super tight budget, hostels are the way to go. You can find a bed in a dorm room for as low as $5 to $10 a night. Want a bit more privacy? Guest houses and budget hotels offer private rooms with air conditioning and hot showers for around $15 to $30 a night. For those who prefer a more local experience, consider renting an apartment. Websites like Agoda and Airbnb offer a wide range of affordable apartments, especially if you're staying for a month or longer. Imagine having your own kitchen, living room, and maybe even a balcony with a view, all for less than the price of a hotel room. Alright, let's talk about my favourite part, the food. One of the best things about Bangkok is that you don't need to spend a fortune to eat like royalty. Get ready for a culinary adventure that will tantalise your taste buds without emptying your wallet. This is where Bangkok truly shines. From the moment you step out onto the bustling streets, the aromas of sizzling noodles, spicy curries, and fragrant soups will draw you in. You can find incredible dishes for as little as $1 to $2 a plate. Pad Thai, mango sticky rice, boat noodles, you name it. Bangkok's street food scene is a feast for the senses and easy on the wallet. Now let's talk about getting around this bustling metropolis. Bangkok has a reputation for its crazy traffic, but don't worry, I've got you covered with some budget-friendly transportation options. First up, the BTS SkyTrain and MRT subway. These are your best bet for quick, efficient, and air-conditioned travel, especially during peak hours. A single journey will cost you around 50 cents to $1.50, depending on the distance. Next, the iconic tuk-tuks. These three-wheeled vehicles are a fun and affordable way to experience the city, but be prepared to haggle. For longer distances, consider using ride-hailing services like Grab. They're generally cheaper than regular taxis and offer fixed fares. Plus, you can easily book a ride through their app and track your driver's location. And of course, don't underestimate the power of walking. Bangkok is best explored on foot, especially in areas like Old Town and Chinatown. Let's talk about having fun in Bangkok without spending a fortune. From stunning temples to vibrant markets and rooftop bars, this city has something for everyone. Bangkok is home to over 400 glittering temples. Entrance fees are typically very affordable. Wat Arun, Wat Pho, and Wat Saket are must-visits. Bangkok is a shopper's paradise. Don't forget to haggle. Check out a traditional Thai dance performance or a Muay Thai boxing match. And of course, no trip to Bangkok is complete without experiencing its legendary nightlife. So there you have it, guys, my insider tips for living large on a budget in incredible Bangkok. From finding affordable accommodation to indulging in delicious street food and navigating the city like a pro, I've shown you that you don't need to break the bank to experience the best of what this city has to offer. Remember, The key is to be open to new experiences, embrace the local culture, and don't be afraid to haggle. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more travel tips, and share your own budget-friendly Bangkok experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, happy travels.